Cow. Cow, cow. Cow, cow. Good day, YouTube. So, I've been working flat out on the computer for the last few days, editing and doing a few other things. And I just thought, just have a wonder. Haven't really been. There's a market about 2 mile from here, Nonthaburi Market, and it's meant to have everything. And I bought an air fryer and a hob and things like that. I'll start doing some cooking again. And hopefully, well, I'm starving as well, so hopefully we'll find a nice food spot along the way. But I might as well take you guys with me on a normal day going to find a few pieces. So yeah, let's go and have a look what we got. One thing I find really interesting is if you've got a KFC here, look. But then right next to the KFC, if you follow the camera, this like where she point. Within the KFC ground. It's finding it a bit weird. Well, I think I've got to go that way for about 2 miles. So if there's anything interesting along the way, we'll pop it on. I better get a march on, and it's hot today, man. Wow, this bridge is mad. Look how easy you could climb even higher. I'm going to be honest with you. I nearly fell then. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm starting to get really hungry now anyway. So I think I might just stop at one of the next places. Tickles my fancy. Not just anything else in particular. I will eat anything, but I have to be in the mood for what I'm eating. Yeah, I'm a funny old git. Right, that's what's this here. It's just a fruit stand. Good. I don't know if I found the actual market or what this is, but it's a cool little cul-de-sac looking market. So I'm gonna have a walk up and anyway and have an adventure. And there's a food spot here. Let's have a look what they got on the menu. Always pork, chicken, eggs. Don't know chicken today. Let's have a look. So that's it. Sawadika. So I've just come into this little place, just off the main road. Cool little spot, so friendly as usual. Food looks amazing. Starving. So that's some pork with rice, vegetables, garlic, and some eggs in like a soup. But it's banging. Let you know what it's like. Yeah. I've never failed to let you down. Always banging food. I've never ate anywhere where I've had something I don't like. Other than my flavours, taste buds, so as in for the quality. Banging. Just try a bite of this egg. Oh man. And there's like sauce. Fire. But I'm gonna demolish this and then we'll find the market. So that then was pork drippings with rice. I think there's 3 or 4 eggs, I can't remember already. Demolished them. And there was, oh yeah, and this box Pepsi. And it come to 100 baht exactly, which is the conversion right now, but I think it's about £2 maybe, 2.10. So that's the first meal I've had. I haven't been hungry that much last night. So let's see how far it carries me. But I'll probably get some kind of sweet thing in this market, if it is a market. I think I found the area, but once again, I don't know. Yeah, right with me, I found it. And it's literally just all food and produce and veg. And I can have all the stuff. Thank you. So I've got my steak, salad. I need a pan, some eggs and some oil now. And I'm ready to go. And I might cook on the balcony tonight. So I'm getting tired now. I'm going to walk back in a minute. I'm sure I've got to get a grab back. I go on a screwdriver with these bags because I don't want my steak to defrost. And my prawns fresh, so I don't need to go off. So I'm like, there's a good chance I'm going to cook in a bit on the balcony, so I'll keep you with me for that as well. But I've just had to get me a coffee. It's actually like ice cold mocha. Big coffee. And that was 60 baht, which is peanuts again. And then let's have a little recap. Let's just try this first, and then we'll have a recap on what I bought so far. Blue one. Blue squid. That was 25 baht. Once again, I'll put all the calculations up here. And I gave him 250 because I thought it was, which is like a fiver. But that is 25 baht, so that's like 50 pence for that giant blue squid. So I don't wonder, I got it all wrong. But yeah, and then after that we had... oh shit. Dropping eggs everywhere already. That'd be funny if it went all over the table. Or all over the floor. So 13 of them. That was 100 baht. And that is. And then we got. Then we have the bacon. So that pack of bacon was also. You got it. 100 baht. Then we have the mushrooms. It's 30 baht. The mushrooms. I hope they're magic ones. And I hope they are. Then we got spring onion, red onion, and a lettuce. So I'll do the maths when I get back, how much you can save by buying, cooking yourself. Do a little roundup of it all, but I'm just going to finish this amazing chocolate coffee. Now, dickhead here thinks he knows his shit. I realised I've come out of the market. I haven't actually got a griddle pan to cook anything still. I'm a tight arse. But most stuff's going to be frozen anyway. I ain't starting to cook till Monday. I might do some tonight if I find a pan on the way back. But what I've realised is my steak's going to defrost. Because I forgot, I've got to make my way back. And even in the traffic now, sorry, even if I didn't walk, this is why I'm walking, just look. Forgot how bad rush hour is in Bangkok. Yeah man, I've got to the point where I'm absolutely battered in now. And I can feel the steak starting to defrost a little bit. So what I'm going to do is sort of me a grab scooter. Just going to jump on the back. If he's got no basket in the front for my bag, I'll just have to try and balance somehow. And I got no helmet, so yeah. I love this. Got me eggs in between his legs, not in the basket. Let's see if we get back without them falling off. So I'm back finally, I'm absolutely knackered, especially after doing legs. Usually I'd soldier that, but that just done me in that heat. Like I say, luckily I managed to save the meat and whatnot. But I've looked off the balcony just as I've come back, and there's a massive fire over the road. You can probably hear the sirens in the background. I'm not sure, but I hope everyone's all right and no one's injured.